warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, how is it going? Good, Alhamdulillah. We are going to continue our lesson chapter 8. It's about directions. Let's say Basmalah together. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is our first learning. And now, listen the spoken expression about directions. Here they are.
Chapter 8. Listen and repeat. Listen to the spoken expressions about directions. The speaker will tell you about them. Number 1.
North.
Number 2.
Northwest.
Number 3.
Northeast.
Number 4.
West.
Number 5.
East.
Number 6.
Southwest.
Number 7.
Southeast.
Number 8.
South.
After you have listened the direction, here then the speaker will give you the example of cities where it's placed. Number 1.
Palangkaraya is in the south of Kalimantan.
Number 2.
Banjarmasin is in the southeast of Kalimantan.
Number 3.
Pontianak is in the west of Kalimantan.
Number 4.
Samarinda is the capital city of East Kalimantan.
Number 5.
Tanjung Selor is in the north of Kalimantan.
Number 6.
Ketapang is in the southwest of Kalimantan.
Number 7.
Pontianak is northwest of Palangkaraya.
Number 8.
Samarinda is northeast of Palangkaraya.
When talking about directions of a map, we will find out that there are 4 main directions used. They are north, east, south, west. North is the main direction to explain the whole directions of a compass. The position of north is on the upper part of a map, then followed by the opposite direction on the lower part of a map. After that, we have east, which is located right on the right position of a map. Further, we also have east as the opposite direction of west, in which is located on the left side of a map. That's all about main directions of a map using compass. Not only 4 main directions here, but also we have the subposition in a map. We have northeast, northwest, southeast, and southwest. Jadi intinya adalah kita harus mengetahui bagaimana cara menentukan suatu lokasi atau tempat berdasarkan petunjuk arah yang merupakan batas dari letak lokasi tersebut. Jadi ada 8 macam direction yang harus kalian hafalkan ya. North, west, east, south, northwest, northeast, southwest, dan southeast. Baik anak-anak, dalam useful expression ini ada beberapa hal yang perlu kalian perhatikan. Yang pertama, penggunaan in, the, dan of. In the east of Kalimantan, artinya di Kalimantan bagian timur. Hal ini menunjukkan bahwa peta yang spesifiknya hanya ada di wilayah bagian timur Kalimantan saja, sehingga menggunakan in the atau of dan of ya. Contohnya Bandung is in the west of Java. Artinya Bandung terletak di bagian barat Jawa, hanya di seputar Jawa Barat saja, tidak ke daerah yang lain. Yang kedua, in East Kalimantan, di Kalimantan Timur, memakai in saja, tidak ada of-nya. hal ini menunjukkan wilayahnya lebih besar lagi, bukan hanya Kalimantan Timur saja, tapi seluruh pulau Kalimantan, boleh Kalimantan Barat, Timur, ya, Selatan dan sebagainya. Contoh, Pontianak is in West Kalimantan, artinya Pontianak terletak di Kalimantan Barat. Dan yang terakhir, east of Kalimantan, sebelah timur Kalimantan, itu memakai of saja. Kenapa? Karena hal ini menunjukkan bahwa wilayahnya berbatasan dalam suatu wilayah tertentu, bisa berbatasan antar kota, pulau, atau provinsi. Contoh, Surabaya is south east of Gresik, artinya Surabaya terletak di sebelah timur Gresik, ini berbatasan. Atau Bali is east of Jawa, Bali itu terletak di sebelah timur Jawa. Gue harap kamu paham tentang hal ini ya. Speaking session, dialogues. Where is Kalimantan? It's north of Java. I beg your pardon? It's north of Java. Where is Papua? It is west of Sulawesi. Pardon me? It's west of Sulawesi. Okay, in this dialogue, if you want to ask someone about places, so you may ask with the word where in the beginning of the question. And if the answer is not clear enough, you can repeat your question by asking, I beg your pardon, pardon me, or excuse me. That's it. Jadi, jika kalian ingin menanyakan letak suatu tempat dalam sebuah percakapan, maka kalian dapat bertanya dengan kata tanya where, yang artinya di mana. Contoh, where is Kalimantan? Nah, di sini jika jawabannya belum jelas, kalian bisa meminta orang yang diajak bicara ini untuk mengulangi jawabannya dengan menggunakan kata tanya I beg your pardon, maaf, bisa diulang lagi, atau pardon me, atau excuse me. Oke, jadi seperti itu penjelasannya ya. You got it? Oke. Indonesia Archipelago. Indonesia has many islands. There are 5 big islands such as Sumatra, Java, Kalimantan, Sulawesi, and Papua. There are also hundreds of small islands in the country. Kalimantan is north of Java Island, or we can say that Java is south of Kalimantan. Sumatra is northwest of Java. It is west of Kalimantan. Sulawesi is northeast of Java. It is east of Kalimantan. We can also that Java is southeast Sumatra and it is southwest of Sulawesi. Dalam teks bacaan ini, kalian diharapkan bisa mendeskripsikan letak dari kepulauan di Indonesia, di mana Indonesia itu memiliki banyak pulau. Ada 5 pulau terbesar di antara ratusan pulau-pulau kecil lainnya, yaitu Sulawesi, Sumatera, Jawa, Kalimantan, dan Papua. Kalian juga dapat menceritakan secara detail letak dari masing-masing pulau. Misalnya, Pulau Kalimantan yang terletak di utara Pulau Jawa dan seterusnya. Bagaimana kalian bisa mendeskripsikan teks bacaan ini? Oke, let's jump into writing session. Writing session. You may open your book page 153 and 154. On your book, there is a map Bali Island, and then there are some question. You should fill in the blank on that sentence. On each sentence become a correct sentence. Okay, I already write down here in this slide, and then you can fill in the blank with these words. Okay, we discuss together, and I will read first. Number 1. Denpasar is in the south of Bali. Denpasar itu terletak di Bali bagian selatan. Coba kamu lihat petanya, betul nggak? Kalau Bali itu ya, Denpasar itu ada di Bali bagian selatan. Oke. Number 2. Singaraja is in the north of Bali. Singaraja terletak di Bali bagian utara. Coba kamu lihat kota Singaraja, ya. Betul tidak? Kalau Singaraja itu ada di Bali bagian utara. Oke. Number 3. Mount Agung is in the east of Bali. Mount Agung terletak di Bali bagian timur. Coba kamu cocokkan ya, sudah betul atau tidak? Lihat petanya. Oke. Sudah? Number 4. Gilimanuk is in the northwest of Bali. Gilimanuk terletak di Bali bagian barat laut. Sudah? Dicocokkan? Baik. Nanti Ibu baca, setelah selesai Ibu baca dari nomor 5 sampai nomor 10, kalian perhatikan petanya dan cocokkan dengan keterangan yang sudah Ibu lengkapi, ya. Oke, baik. Number 5. Negara is in the west of Bali. Number 6. Ubud is north of Denpasar. 7. Kuta is southwest of Denpasar. 8. Sanur is southeast of Denpasar. 9. Mount Batur is southeast of Singaraja. 10. Gianyar is northeast of Besakeh. Oke, jadi dalam writing ini kalian diharapkan bisa menuliskan arah yang tepat berdasarkan posisi di mana lokasi itu berada. Khususnya di sini ada di Pulau Bali. Bagaimana? Sudah paham maksudnya? Insya Allah. Finally, we have already studied all of the materials today. This is our resume. And this the evaluation. Thanks a million for your attention. Always study at home and do your assignments well. Billahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Catch you later.